AimCharge makes an upgrade and comes with brand new features. Introducing AimCharge2, a versatile charging dock that can charge multiple devices at the same time. It's time to say goodbye to the jumbled mess of chargers and adapters. It has a side view tracking light to visualize the auto alignment during wireless charging. It will automatically detect the right place for the wireless charging coil and power up quickly. AimCharge 2 is also compatible with Apple Watch and wireless earbuds and helps you organize your desktop. Its ergonomic design allows you to enjoy hands-free video calls with a super long battery life. AimCharge 2 can charge a number of smartphones in portrait and landscape position, even with a phone case. AimCharge 2 features a brand new function, a removable wireless charging bar that can be used separately. It charges the Apple Watch on one side, and when you turn it over, it can charge wireless earbuds or phones. AimCharge 2 is also a charging dock able to charge laptops, tablets, and a lot of other devices simultaneously with one Type-C and two USB-A charging ports. AimCharge 2, your best all-in-one charging dock and desk organizer.
Just smash the color bars, and even you can become a drummer. The drum that won't upset your family or neighbors from loud noises. Drum on with world-famous bands. All you need is a tablet PC or a smartphone. Master the art of drumming, all the way from basic beats to awesome fill-ins with the Smart Drum lessons. Become the drummer of your dreams by just enjoying your favorite song, just like a rhythm game. Your own music can be played with authentic drum sounds. Let's play! All you need is 47 by 24 inches of space for a super easy installment. Realistic drum sounds with the black mesh pads and actual impacting bass drum pedals. All the complicated compositions of the snare drums, high toms, low toms, and the flow toms, made simple with different colors. Guess what's even more astonishing? Feeling like drumming on an acoustic drum is made possible with the hi-hat opening function. Cho can play the crash cymbals realistically.
Hey,
all the way from Beatles, Nirvana, Queen, Maroon 5, to even K-pop and BTS. Can you believe this? I got nothing more to say. This is the MoPlay Smart Drum D3.
We have been developing smart musical instruments since 2018 in New York. We prioritized on editing and upgrading the balance of the sound of our drums over their external looks. We have also added a splash cymbal according to our users' comments and feedback, so go ahead and enjoy more dynamic and luscious sounds. With MoPlay Smart Drum D3, anyone can easily learn how to play a musical instrument for fun. With just one single purchase, you can drum on at an affordable price without having to pay for drum lessons. No hidden fees and purchases needed for 3 years. If you purchase the MoPlay Smart Drum D3 now, your house is all set for drumming. You can start drumming to all the songs of world-famous rock stars without having to leave your home. Comfortable and easy, you can download the app on the App Store of the Play Store. With monthly updates with brand new songs, you can basically drum to all the pieces you like. We have successfully finished with our campaign in Asia. With the constructive comments and feedback we have received, we completed and upgraded MoPlay Smart Drum D3, and at the moment we have completed all inspections. Thank you in advance.
For the past century, people have enjoyed traveling on two wheels. And now, in the era of smartphones, apps, and artificial intelligence, it's time the urban rider received an upgrade. Introducing Rolley Scooterson, the intelligent scooter, organically designed and engineered from the ground up to help you ride easier and smarter. Using the latest mobile technologies and modern materials, we created an award-winning two-wheeled vehicle that is controlled completely by your smartphone. The Scooterson app transforms your smartphone into an intelligent scooter dashboard. When you are within the activation range, the Scooterson app becomes your scooter key. You just open the app, then use Touch ID or Face ID to unlock your Rolley. Using motion detection and advanced algorithms, the app recognizes your movements. There's no need for a gear shifter or even an accelerator. You start Scooterson the same way you would a kick scooter. The body gesture control system controls gear selection. An initial push engages the lower gear. A second push shifts to the upper gear. After that, you simply sit to achieve top speed. How cool is that? Of course, you still need to pull the brake lever to stop. However, you won't need to worry about the kickstand because Rolley stands by itself and it will automatically lock when you walk away. Sharing is caring. Using the app, your friends and family can request to use your Rolley. You'll receive a notification via the app, and if you grant them access, your guest can unlock your scooter, ride it, and access all the features you make available to your guest user profile. The passive auto-balance design makes Rolley very easy to operate, even for those with little experience riding a bicycle or a kick scooter. Step 1. Sit on the cushioned seat. Step 2. Put both feet on the scooter. Step 3. Well, there really isn't a step 3, since Rolley balances itself. Step 4. Press the accelerator button. In fact, it's so easy, even your grandmother can ride it and experience pure joy without the learning curve. Whenever you share your scooter, you can locate it at any time using the Find My Scooter feature in the Scooterson app. For peace of mind, we've created an optional tracking module. Sentry mode will automatically activate when you park the scooter. The anti-tampering alarm will send a notification to your phone if someone attempts any shenanigans with your scooter. Your scooter learns your unique riding style and will suggest operating modes to help you improve battery range during your normal daily rides. The Scooterson app is aware of your location, whether at home or work, and knows exactly when and where to remind you to charge the scooter battery. That means you can ride free throughout the day without experiencing low battery anxiety syndrome. We want it to be...
Introducing Storm2, the ultimate see-through power bank with 100 watts power delivery in-out, created for digital nomads. With its cyberpunk design and compact body, Storm2 is the perfect solution for power on the go. Equipped with a 25,600 mAh battery capacity, Storm2 powers all your devices with fast charge efficiency. For air travel, Storm2's large battery capacity is still under the safe allowable limit. No more problems at security checkpoints. Forget about all the bulky, boring power banks that leave you hanging. You only need one to solve all your problems. Storm2's vivid IPS screen shows the battery level, as well as important parameters for charging insights. For any device, Storm2 provides an optimal charging protocol to fit its requirements. Even a MacBook Pro can run smoothly using its stable power supply. Storm2 even provides a DC port with adjustable output voltages ranging from 3.3 volts to 22.5 volts. With Storm2, you can handle any work or entertainment. It's more than a power bank. It is a comprehensive device charging solution. Storm2 is not only for indoor needs, it is also an outdoor helper. With the add-on solar charging panel, Storm2 provides a stable power supply no matter where you go.